Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hi there, thanks for joining us today for Fox Focus. I'm Meg McKenzie, and as you can see, we're not in the studio. We're in a little bit prettier space. We are at one of Bielinski Homes condos out in Waukesha, and I have the VP and CEO of Bielinski Homes, Paul Bielinski, with me. Paul, thanks for talking.
Good to see you.
Thanks for having us here too. You know, when folks are shopping for homes, looking for a new home, and they're considering new construction, the thing that always comes to mind is you have a lot of decisions to make, isn't that right?
Yes, there's a number of different floor plans.
Yeah, so let's talk about floor plans. How do you know what is the right floor plan for you?
Well, usually a big contributor is the structure of your family.
Okay.
If you have a younger family, a lot of young kids, usually people tend to go for a two-story home. The reason being is it actually is less expensive per square foot to build up than to build out.
Okay.
So if you have 3 kids, you need a 4-bedroom home. That's normally a two-story plan. But if your family is a little older, you have either older kids or they're out of the house, typically we see people going for a ranch. Ranch is a nice, easy living, everything's on one story. In ranches today, we don't group the bedrooms together anymore, they're split. So now you can have a little privacy from the kids, or if the kids are out of the house, it might be privacy from your guests.
That's interesting, because I think sometimes people think that's a drawback of ranch, is that all the bedrooms are near each other.
Right.
So good to know.
Right.
So it sounds pretty important to pick the right floor plan for your family.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely important.
Well, why is that?
Well, you really want a floor plan after that. After you decide on two-story or a ranch, you really want a floor plan that speaks to you.
Okay.
I mean, we have about 50 different floor plans. Each one speaks differently to a different type of person. It's really a feel. How does it feel to you? Does this feel like home to you? So, I mean, it's important when you get to that stage to really just walk the models and find out, how does the home feel to you? Does it speak to you?
You have 50 different floor plans?
Yes, 50 floor plans.
How do you come up with floor plans?
It's an evolution over many, many, many different years. We've drawn inspiration from many different places. We constantly revise our plans. So they evolve. So there are certain plans that we have that you may recognize the name from 20 years ago, but it's not the same plan because it has evolved year after year after year. And because all of our needs change over the years, the modern family's needs change, so therefore we revise the plans based on that.
Wow. So you do the plans in-house?
Yes, we do. So all of them are created by us. Frank Bielinski leads that charge, and he has a team of 4 different people that work with him. Well, including Frank, it's 4 people. So there's 3 of us. We all come from different lifestyle aspects, so we bring something different to the party. We also listen to our customers a lot. So our customers speak to our new home consultants, and they give us that information, and we're constantly revising to meet their needs.
And so if someone is about to start a new construction, probably one of the first steps is deciding on the floor plan. What if they don't know? How do you start that process?
That is a communication with, our new home consultants who are versed in all of our floor plans and can help, discuss lifestyle needs and find the right plan for them. If they don't want to do that, all of our floor plans are listed on our website. Our customers can go through every single one if they wish. Can be a bit of a chore, so that's why our new home consultants can really help them.
Okay, and seeing it online is one thing, but you really want to see it in person too.
Yes, you do. It's a different feelings walking through the models than looking at it on as a plan.
For sure. So you could start at Bielinski.com, take a look, get an idea, but then definitely reach out, meet with one of the consultants, or tour some ready homes around the area too.
Yes, or you can even do virtual tours. So on our website, we have we've created a virtual tour through our model homes. So if you're not ready to step into a model, you can see them on our website.
Interesting. Bielinski.com. Thanks for joining us.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.